Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming the C++ workload and MSVC toolset are installed. This gives you the compiler and debugger. Once done, open Visual Studio and pick New Project, then console App C++, because a small console project avoids template complexity and compiles fast. Make sure to name the project clearly and set the solution folder so you can find it later. I explain why. Correct workload prevents missing headers and toolchain errors, and a clean project keeps configuration steps minimal. Next, edit main. CPP and add a small test program to validate compilation. This checks compiler paths and runtime quickly. Then, set build configuration to debug for step-through debugging or release for performance testing. Make sure platform matches the libraries you plan to use. In project properties, inspect C/C++ include paths and linker inputs so external libs resolve. Once configured, hit Build Solution to confirm there are no compiler or linker errors, because fixing these now saves hours later. Finally, run your program with F5 to debug. Set breakpoints, step through lines, and watch variables so you understand runtime flow and catch logic bugs early. If you see build errors, open the error list and output panels to locate file and line numbers, then clean and rebuild the project to remove stale objects that can mask fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: when external libraries fail to link, make sure the library directories and runtime redistributables match the selected platform. x86 versus x64.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.